Hey guys! In this video we are going to be checking out the best affordable gaming chairs for small person under $100. You can buy it right now. We made this list based on our personal opinion and hours of research, and we have listed them based on the type of features and price. We have included options for every kind of user, so whether you are looking for the best budget. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. Homall High Back Gaming Chair. It's hard to find a cheap gaming chair that works for big and tall gamers, but luckily, the Homall High Back Racing Chair offers both. With a sturdy steel frame and 5-star base, the chair totes a max load of 300 pounds, so it can accommodate heavier gamers. If you're on the taller side, it's also an effective fit thanks to that seat's 20.5-inch depth and the height adjustment from 17 to 22 inches. 360-degree swivel and multi-direction wheels, load capacity, 300-pound maximum weight capacity. Recline function. Between 90 to 180 degrees. Rocking function. The chair can rock back and forth when you adjust the knob beneath the seat. For around $100, the Homall High Back Racing Chair is surprisingly comfortable. You get a high-density foam seat, though it is on the narrower side at 14.5 inches. Movable pillows for your neck and lumbar also help improve the ergonomics of your setup. And when you want to take a break from the game, you can tilt the seat back 180 degrees for added comfort. Unfortunately, the armrests don't adjust, but even still, if you're looking for a big and tall gaming chair on a budget, this is the one. Number 2. BestOffice Gaming Chair with Footrest. For the most part, the cheap gaming chair options under $100 are all really just cheap office chairs that have a little bit of color added to them. However, the BestOffice Racing Chair actually maintains the same racing style design that you've likely seen on higher-end gaming chairs. While the BestOffice Racing Chair isn't going to provide you with the highest-end chair possible, it's not a bad option in the sub-$100 price range. It has most of the options you'd expect out of a gaming chair, like the ability to recline, height adjustment, armrest height adjustment, and a lumbar pillow and neck pillow, too. It even comes with a footrest that pulls out from beneath the seat. And perhaps the most important feature of the BestOffice Racing Chair is the fact that, while there are wings that come off the side of the seat base, the cushion is tall enough to where it eliminates any kind of serious bucket in the seat. And that means you won't feel as restricted by the bucket seats sitting in this chair. Ultimately, if you're looking for the best gaming chair, but you don't have a ton of money to spend, the BestOffice Racing Chair is a cheap option that will work decently for now. However, you probably shouldn't expect it to serve you well as a long-term sitting option. Number 3. Furmax Office Gaming Chair. The Furmax is one of the most popular gaming chairs out there. It's cheap, it's decent, and it will get you through those long hours of intense gaming and/or work. The chair is made from soft leather, something that's uncommon in this price range, but which adds a nice touch and makes for a comfortable experience. This is assisted by superb lumbar support. The padding does, however, seem to be the thinnest in the main seating area. So, while your back might not be achy after long gaming sessions, your ass very well might. The 5-star base has 360-degree swivel wheels, so you don't have to worry about it getting caught in things on the floor. Furthermore, the adjustable back seat has a wide range of motion, letting you put it far back when you want to relax, or forward when you need to concentrate. The high back supports your neck and shoulders, and the high-quality wear-resistant PU leather and mesh combination provides amazing comfort and breathability. The seat padding is pretty thick at 3 inches, and the rocking function also allows you to rock back and forth, which can be relaxing. The chair's armrests are adjustable, but they tend to come loose after a while. In addition, the chair's height is adjustable, but if you're sitting in the chair for a long time it may begin to sink, meaning you'll have to readjust the height. This is probably one of the chair's biggest downfalls, literally, as it can be rather annoying. Number 4. BestOffice PC Ergonomic Gaming Chair. In our opinion, BestOffice commands a significant market share over the cheap gaming chair niche. They just have a ton of solid options at really reasonable prices, and that's hard to overlook. This particular budget gaming chair is also made with a mixture of PU leather and breathable material. You can adjust the height of the chair, and it's easy to recline in. We also love that the armrests had padding. Namely, they have less padding for your head and thighs, less sloped armrests, which might be an improvement, and less intricate stitching, which makes it look a little plainer in our opinion. The caster wheels roll smoothly, and the chair has a full 360-degree swivel, allowing for easy movement. The backrest is ergonomically curved, and there's ample padding for lumbar support. The chair's back can be adjusted anywhere from 90 to 180 degrees, so you could lay it down and take a nap or just relax while watching some Netflix. Unfortunately, the armrests are non-adjustable. You can leave them off when putting the chair together if you want, but we can't promise that it'll look good. Furthermore, there are 5 colors to choose from. In closing, the BestOffice gaming chair crosses off a lot of our requirements and is still at an unbeatable price. Number 5. Homall Ergonomic Gaming Chair. The Homall chair easily slides into second place for the best gaming chair for around $100. It features thicker padding than the Devoco above and arguably a better design. The only thing holding it back is the relatively tame 155 degrees backrest recline angle versus 180 degrees on the Devoco. In one monthly test of the Homall gaming chair, we were overall impressed. The quality and amount of padding on the chair were especially noteworthy given its low price. There's around 4 of very supportive foam in the seat, and the padding in the backrest also beats most gaming chairs even in the $200 range. It also makes for an excellent cheap DX Racer alternative. High-density shaping foam, more comfort, anti-oxidation, elasticity, resilience, and service life. 1. 8mm thick steel frame, more sturdy and stable. PU leather, skin-friendly and wear-resisting. In terms of downsides, like on the Devoco, the armrests on the Homall are fixed and non-adjustable. The backrest also reclines backless, which is a consideration for those that like to lay almost flat in their chair from time to time. If you enjoyed this video, then like this video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.